Seng National People's Party akasining kong jong katayo kala Rakhe ka jingdap khat snem jong ka Seng kabalayoru ya jing itu kum ka National Party hapo kari India. Kum shibinta jong kani jing Rakhe u National President ka Seng Konrad ke sangma bolongru Ministry rangba ka jela. Ringkat baru Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya ba Preston Tinsong u bolongru simbut Ministry rangba ka jela kila penher ya kelama jong ka Seng hakabalai don lang u MP ke Rajya Sabha u Dr. WR Kharlukhi ki Menteri Sarkar ki CEM ki MLA ki MDC ba ki nongkit kam ke NPP. U Dr. Kharlukhi ulo ang baladadai ba ke NPP ka job ya ke election MP Lok Sabha padang Shudep ka Seng kan jindalala ban raya ki babun ki AKA hapo kari India. Ulak pin kenma bah kapor ba Seng ya ke NPP kani ka Seng kalayo tang arngut ki MLA ba job ya ke election arjar khatlai. Henry minta hadin khat snem kalayo sendan ban bat yo lakam ka jingsun shar hapo ka jala. Konrad ke sangma baru ba Preston Tinsong bat kino yalam ke NPP kila pinkup buramru ya kinong Seng jong ke NPP ki bekentup ya Dr. WR Kharlukhi ba Jit Singh Kurba Babet Sangma ba Kupar Bla ke Dr. PD Lalu kong Fidelia Toy ba Daniel Thank You ba Forward L Maulong ba O Lamin ba Dr. Charles Ruben Lingdo. Layo ru ya kajingkran na kinong mikmat kilawan penyeso bat ke NPP bala penipu ipieng ya kini kajing Rakhe ya kajing dap khat snem ke NPP bat kajing Rakhe ya kalingku sngi kha jong unong Seng ke NPP u PA sangma de kajing rai bat kajing shat paper.
Ngam jula ban klet nadu banganang le kelas ande shilong. Kagerteng kata kuru buru hotel belakoroi pri. Hadu bangan long MLA katen kabenukong arah jalai kumjui arah jar praru kumjui arah jar khatlai kumjui syukurlah 5-star hotel warjar khatprah. Pihak nam tu sengau basyong ladi kemayat syari parit. Bad ya kata ngimla ban len ya kajing sisa. Kilok kiba keren ben kam lele. Ya na polis baja. Pinyo I kumbakalong kamati jong. Manu balik. Ngempaju pos dia ya kata swimming pool. Hakita 5-star hotel lek hantai hamariot hai kejing tiang kejing ipa. Madu bale kajian nano bagi diki projek atli badon hande hadonur jong kamekala madu bale. Kata gabak ikwa banbu jingli. Nangta susu kie ki kabak ke bagi lale. Kata hantai kabgi ong ke Lariti Performing Arts Center. Kabahetam haga North Eastern State jungi dekate. Manu bale Haba pilek hakate ke jaga hakini ski kedet ski lek ban unveil ya statue Jong Reverend JJM Nikolsoy ngaskungu kuskup burom baka at Nikolsoy ka ay ke jaga bagin bu ya utu umat sa Jerman Jong Reverend JJM Nikolsoy haba kiwan ki CM nang ni na North East Chipongut don ki MLA don ki minister ki bawan ki ong ngisngaw mapoy sa kawaypat ka Pyrthei. The credit goes to the NPP led government under Shri Conrad Sangma. Kemawahay kata. Henry ngisya lentema. Kita kikam ki begini still kita bisa kenuan mah. Ka session ka badengkong ka bangin pelong hangtei hakan new assembly building. Mado bale next year our first session will be held at Maudiang Dam. Ya kata mado bale.
Bahamdas was mentioning to you that this government and the leadership in this government, and when I say leadership, I mean the entire leadership, we believe in taking decisions. And we know sometimes those decisions are not the easiest decisions to take. And we get criticized for those decisions. But I tell you that Bakristan will mention to you, and that I used to always tell him, that there is a purpose why we are here. There is a reason why God is giving us an opportunity to be in this position, is to be able to take those decisions maybe that people could not take in the past. And if we fail to take those decisions, then we are failing in our responsibility for which, and the purpose for which God has put us in this place. So God has given us this political party, and God has given us this position to make a difference in the people's lives. And we must take this in our hands. We must make sure that we don't regret after 15 years, 20 years, and we look back and say that we had the opportunity and the chance to do that particular thing and we did not. Because we were worried. Even though our hearts and our mind and our conscience told us that we should have done it, but we didn't. Let us not regret any of that in the future. And let this be the guiding principle for us when we are in politics. P.S. Sangmaji taught me one very, very important thing in my life. And I want to share this. I've shared with all of you, I think, many times. And he used to tell me, Conrad, if you are entering politics, don't think about position. If you're entering politics, don't think about money. If you're entering politics, you should be driven by the desire to help the people and serve the people. And if that is going to drive your politics and your decision making, everything else will follow. You don't have to follow. Everything else will follow you because people will bless you. People will pray for you. People will support you. But if you are driven by the desire to get a position, or if you're driven by desire of wealth, you are bound to make the wrong decisions in life and in politics. And friends, let this be one of the biggest points or takeaways, I should say, from this Foundation Day. Then let our politics be driven by the need to serve the people of our state. Let our conscience be clear. Chairman had just mentioned, there will be a lot of negativity. There will be a lot of people who will say a lot of bad things. I really don't bother, to be very frank. as long as I know that my heart is right. My conscience is clear. I am not here to do any harm to anybody or wrong to anybody or be unjust to anybody. I know it. And that's the reason why half the time when people say so many things, I don't respond. I don't respond because my heart is clean, my conscience is clean. We are here to serve and we will continue to serve. That is what drives us and that is what continue to drive us. I don't want to talk about other political parties or anybody. But all I can say is that I get tired of the negativity. I can't stand negativity, I'll tell you. I'm being very, very candid with you today because we are a family. I can't stand negativity. Even in the most negative position, you ask any of my closest people who work with me, I always say, what is a positive? Tell me that. You'll always see the negativity. And based on negativity, we can never build our society. Based on negativity, we can never take our state forward.